Lymph Savior is marketed as a supplement that supposedly supports lymphatic drainage, removes toxins, reduces swelling, improves circulation, and boosts overall wellness. But the real question is, can it actually save your lymphatic system? Now, to be fair, the lymphatic system is a real and important part of the body. It helps move fluids, supports immune function, and plays a role in waste removal. Some ingredients often found in wellness supplements may also have antioxidant or anti-inflammatory properties. What it does well may provide general wellness ingredients. Many formulas include herbs, vitamins, or plant extracts that may contribute to overall health support, could encourage healthier habits. People starting wellness products sometimes also increase water intake, movement, and healthy routines. Where the hype falls apart, your lymphatic system does not usually need saving. This is the biggest issue. In healthy individuals, the lymphatic system already works continuously without requiring a detox product. Detox claims are often exaggerated. Products commonly imply that toxins are building up and need special removal, which can oversimplify how the body works. There is limited evidence for dramatic lymphatic effects. Supporting wellness is different from proving meaningful lymphatic improvement. So, can Lymph Savior save your lymphatic system? Short answer, probably not. It may contain ingredients that support general wellness, but there is little reason to expect a supplement to dramatically change or rescue a healthy lymphatic system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.